Hi, today I will show you how to fix a digital kitchen scale where characters are missing on the LCD display. This issue could be caused by a problem with the silicon zebra connector on the LCD screen. Let me guide you through the steps to check and fix it. First, we need to start by unscrewing two screws at the bottom of the scale and two screws underneath the label. Let's carefully remove these screws. Next, slide the weight sensor tray up and down to expose 5 screws underneath it. Unscrew these 5 screws carefully. Now, we can separate the upper and lower plastic parts of the scale. Make sure not to damage or pull any wires while doing this. Next, we need to unscrew 5 screws that hold the electronic board beneath the LCD display. After unscrewing these, carefully remove the electronic board. Now, let's take a look at the silicon zebra connector. This connector is responsible for the connection between the electronic board and the LCD display. Carefully remove it and clean the contact surfaces. Once the surfaces are clean, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully put the electronic board back, reconnect the silicon zebra connector, and screw everything back into place. Finally, we'll test the scale to make sure the display is working properly again. If everything is done correctly, the problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.